Two top contenders in the world of tax filing, eFile.com and Jackson Hewitt. Which one truly makes tax season easier? On the left, eFile.com, IRS authorized and easy online tax filing. On the right, Jackson Hewitt, the all-in-one tax solution with both online and in-person support. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters for your taxes. Each category earns points in our head-to-head, and at the end, you'll see exactly who leads for 2025. And the final verdict? It might surprise you. Here's what we're tackling, just so you have a snapshot of the categories. Price, filing options, security and accuracy guarantees, expert support, supported forms and complexity, and, of course, customer ratings and trust. Ready? Let's jump into price first. First up, price. So eFile.com tends to come in with lower prices compared to most competitors, especially for basic returns. It's kind of nice. You get to start filing and even check eligibility for free. The catch? They use tiered pricing. You pay more depending on how complex your taxes are. And honestly, state returns usually bump your bill up a bit. Now, on to Jackson Hewitt. What's wild is their online platform just charges a flat $25 for federal and all states, no matter how complicated things get. But hold up, not everything's included, because if you want to add audit support or go in person, those fees start stacking up. So, while both come with their quirks, eFile wins out if you're looking for the lowest entry point for basic filing. Let's chat filing options. With eFile.com, it's all online all the time, whether you're an individual, couple, or even filing business returns. And you can access your stuff year-round, which is cool. But if you're thinking about walking into a physical branch for help, yeah, that's not happening. Jackson Hewitt, on the other hand, you can e-file or walk in to over 5,000 locations nationwide, and a bunch of those are inside Walmart stores. Seriously, how convenient is that? Of course, in-person help does add extra costs, but the flexibility is so much better. No contest. Jackson Hewitt wins this round. Now on to security and accuracy guarantees. eFile.com's been around for ages, and they have solid IRS authorization. Data encryption? Standard stuff. But here's something. They don't really mention paying you back for any penalties or interest if the software makes a mistake. Jackson Hewitt, though, they back things up with a 100% accuracy guarantee. And if there's an error that's their fault, they'll actually pay the penalties and interest you rack up. Oh, and here's something cool. If you find a bigger refund somewhere else, they'll pay your filing fee. You do have to file a claim and send in some paperwork, but still, that's impressive. So, for peace of mind, Jackson Hewitt is the clear winner. Quick fact break. Did you know? Jackson Hewitt has tax kiosks in hundreds of Walmart stores for maximum in-person convenience. Kind of a game changer if you just want to pop in and get your taxes sorted while you shop. Okay, expert support. And this is where the differences really pop. eFile.com has decent guides and online resources, but if you want to chat with an actual tax pro or walk into a branch, not happening. No live chat either. Jackson Hewitt, though, almost every branch has tax experts on hand, plus live chat for online filers, and in-person help if things get hairy. You do pay more for face-to-face help, but honestly, if you want that professional reassurance, they deliver. Jackson Hewitt absolutely takes this one. Supported forms and complexity. So eFile.com covers most taxpayer situations with different tiers, from easy peasy to full-on advanced. Still, when things get complicated, those high tiers and extra fees come into play. But Jackson Hewitt, flat fee covers all forms online, which is pretty wild. They don't charge more if you're self-employed or have a complicated return, and they support a bunch of forms. Heads up though, if you tack on extras like audit protection, that'll cost you. Overall, Jackson Hewitt just makes life easier here. Customer ratings and trust. eFile.com's got a pretty good reputation if you're cost conscious. People seem to love the savings. BBB accredited and IRS authorized, so trust factor is solid. Downside? Some folks might be uneasy without that in-person reassurance. Jackson Hewitt holds an A+ rating with BBB, and literally millions of people have filed with them. The only catch? Some mixed feelings about transparency on in-person pricing. So honestly, both companies are well-rated and well-trusted. So I gotta call this one a tie. Looking at the full radar chart across all categories, you can really see that Jackson Hewitt pulls ahead in the most important areas, like support, guarantees, and filing options. eFile shines on price, especially for simple tax returns. But if you want maximum flexibility, in-person help, or airtight guarantees, Jackson Hewitt dominates. So here's my honest take. If you're just looking for simple, no-frills, affordable online filing, efile.com is a solid bet. But if you need live support, love the fixed pricing, or want to chat with a pro right there in person, Jackson Hewitt has your back, especially if things are complicated or you just want that extra peace of mind. Want to keep making taxes less painful? Stick around and subscribe, because I've got more comparisons coming your way.